In our company, it's that team effort that gives everyone an experience they want to share. We try to go the extra distance every time, and now our efforts have been repaid with this fantastic 5-star review. This is one of our favorite reviews. We really take every effort to make lasting impressions for each and every individual, and it's great to see that our hard work is paying off. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience, and 5-star service to work for you today. Come experience the difference. We're thrilled you had the chance to take a look at us. Don't hesitate to contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.